In this tutorial, we will look into all method of promise object, how you can execute multiple promise at a time and wait all of them to complete to get the results. Let us use the existing example and modify it to define few promises. We have defined three different promises. Now let us call our all method on promise object and pass all these three promises at a time. Promise all returns a main promise which resolves only when all of the promises passed to it execute successfully, and in then callback we get array of results for each of the promises. Order of the result is in the same sequence that we have passed the promises to all method. Promise all works only when all of the past promises resolve. If a single promise gets rejected, a catch callback will be invoked on the main promise that was written by all, irrespective of the results of other promises. As JavaScript is not strictly typed, in results array you can pass any kind of result. Let us try and pass a number to one of the promises. Important thing to remember about promise all is you never know in what order promises will get executed and whether they will execute concurrently, parallelly, or sequentially. As per documentation, it depends on the machine on which that code gets executed. All method of promise object should only be used when the past promises are independent of each other. For the case where we want to check each promise's result, whether it rejects or resolves, in next tutorial we are going to look into all settled method of promise object, which handles rejected promises as well as resolved promises and pass the execution status at the end of execution. Hope you will see the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial.